The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a flagship device designed to compete with high-end smartphones by offering a blend of powerful hardware, premium design, and advanced features. Here's an in-depth review. The Edge 50 Ultra features a premium design with a glass back and aluminum frame. Its slim profile and curved edges provide an ergonomic feel. A 6.7-inch OLED panel with 144 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The HDR10 Plus support enhances content viewing, making it perfect for streaming and gaming. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it delivers lightning-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. Comes with 12 GB per 16 GB RAM options and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast data transfer and ample space. 50MP main sensor with OIS captures detailed, sharp images even in low light. 50MP ultra-wide lens doubles as a macro shooter. 64MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom offers versatile photography options. Capable of recording in 8K with enhanced stabilization. A 50MP front camera ensures stunning selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Packed with a 5000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy usage. Supports 125W fast wired charging, capable of fully charging the device in under 30 minutes, and 50W wireless charging. Runs on Android 14, offering a clean interface with Motorola's subtle customizations like gestures and Moto display. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC ensure cutting-edge connectivity. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Pros: stunning 144 Hz OLED display. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance. Exceptional camera system with a 200MP main sensor. Ultra-fast charging capabilities. Clean and near-stock Android experience. Cons: premium price tag. Lacks some software perks found in competitors like Samsung's One UI. Conclusion: the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a solid flagship for those seeking cutting-edge performance, exceptional camera capabilities, and fast charging in a sleek design. It's a strong competitor to brands like Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi, making it a great option for tech enthusiasts and power users alike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.